students. Now we are going to discuss about applications of the stacks. In which areas we are going to implement stack. The first one is reverse a list. If you have a list, if you want to reverse it, you can do by using stack. And parenthesis checker, how many parentheses are there? In order to check that, you can use stack. And convert infix expression into postfix expression. And evaluation of postfix expression and conversion of infix expression to prefix expression and evaluation of prefix expressions. All these things are coming under one topic, that is called Polish notation, that I will explain now. Then the next one is recursion and Tower of Hanoi. As per your syllabus, you have to study only two parts. First one is recursive function and Polish notations. The rest, so theoretically you study all these function applications are there for stacks, and now we can detailedly explain about Polish notations. So evaluation of arithmetic operation, that is one of the important application of stack. Before that, you have to know some technical terms. What are they? What is Polish notation? What is prefix, infix and postfix notations? So Polish notation, that is the heading. Infix, postfix and prefix notations are three different but equivalent notation of writing algebraic expression. That means in mathematics we will be writing a plus b. Okay. We will call this expression as a infix expression. Okay, normally what we are writing in mathematics, that is infix expression. And if you will be writing a plus b means operators are a and b, then after the operands are a and b and operator is addition. If you will be writing the operator after operands, that is postfix. And if you will be writing the operands a and b and operator before that, this is called prefix expression. So three types of notations are here. What are they? Infix, postfix and prefix. These are three different but equivalent notation of writing algebraic expression. Algebraic expression എഴുതുന്നതിന് equivalent ആയിട്ടുള്ള three different ways ആണ്. അതിലത്തെ നോർമലി നമ്മൾ എഴുതുന്ന വേ ആണ് ഇൻഫിക്സ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നതും, ഓപ്പറേറ്ററിനെ ഓപ്പറൻസിന് ശേഷം എഴുതുവാണെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ പോസ്റ്റ്ഫിക്സ് എന്നും, ഓപ്പറേറ്ററിനെ ഓപ്പറൻസിൻ്റെ ബിഫോർ എഴുതുവാണെങ്കിൽ അതിനെ പ്രിഫിക്സ് എന്നും പറയുന്നു. Before learning about prefix and postfix notation, let us first see what is infix notation. That's what I explain now. We are familiar with algebraic expressions and everything. So when you will be writing a plus b, like the equations in the computer programming, when they require to handle the algebraic equations like that, so what happens? It is very easy for us to write the expressions using infix notation, but computers find it difficult to pass the computer, need a lot of information to evaluate the expression, because there will be so many rules are there. What are they? Operator precedence, associativity rules and the brackets are coming. So the computer takes so much time to evaluate the infix expressions. So the expression like a plus b parenthesis into c minus d divided by e. So as per the parenthesis, the precedence is changing, is it? So the computer takes so much time to evaluate the infix expression. So computer work more efficiently with expressions written using prefix and postfix notation. So when they are getting the infix expression, the computer converts the infix expression to prefix or postfix, then evaluate on that. Then only they can work on it very fastly and very rapidly. So how to convert from infix to prefix and postfix? That is doing with the help of stack data structure. And what is postfix notation? It is developed by Jan Lukasiewicz, who was an Polish logician, mathematician, and philosopher. His aim was to develop the parenthesis free prefix notation. That means in the prefix and postfix notation there won't be any parenthesis. Okay, so when the parentheses are coming, when the associativity rules are coming, when the precedence rules are coming, the computer feels very difficult to evaluate that expression. So in order to avoid that, they are using what are following: postfix notation and prefix notation. So the prefix notation, it's and a postfix notation. Postfix, another name is reverse Polish notation. So reverse Polish notation means postfix and prefix. So this postfix, prefix and infix together called Polish notation. Okay. The order of evaluation of postfix expression and prefix expressions are from left to right. Even though the brackets cannot alter the order of evaluation, their order of evaluation cannot alter. It's from left to right continuously. See one expression: A plus B into C. Okay, so what happens? They are converting into postfix expression. So how to write that? First A plus B. So A, B plus. Then multiply C. So write the operand here, then the operator. Okay. So this is the way we will be writing postfix notation. Convert the following infix expression to postfix expression. This is an example. So A minus B. This one, A minus B into C plus D, which is inside the brace that you have to do first. So in this case, A plus B minus, and this changed to CD plus. And now two operands are this multiply this. So how to write that? AB minus CD plus, then write the operator here, star. See the answer? AB minus CD plus star. And this is another example. So in this case, A plus B. A plus B means AB plus. The next brace means C plus D. CD plus. Next brace is D into E. DE star. Then division and minus. Division has higher priority. So first do this, divide this. How to write? AB plus CD plus divide. After that, this much over. Next is minus. Minus this part DE star. So this is first operand, division is there, and this is another one. So how to write? AB plus CD plus divide, then this part DE star, then minus. This is the way you will be getting the postfix expression. These terms that I will explain with another video. Now just understand what is it. Then prefix notation is evaluated from left to right, and the only difference between a postfix and the prefix is that the prefix notation, the operator is placed before operands. That's it. While evaluating a prefix expression, the operators are applied to the operands that are present immediately on the right of the operator. Like postfix, prefix also do not follow the rules of operator precedence and associativity, and even brackets cannot alter the order. Next one is conversion of infix expression into postfix expression. So we can explain all these example. That algorithm that I will explain in the next class. Thank you.